original Walerga Road Bridge over Dry Creek was constructed in 1973. It was a fairly narrow bridge, about 30 feet wide, about 130 feet long. It was a 3-span reinforced concrete slab bridge. It only had 1 lane of traffic in each direction. There was narrow shoulders, 3 feet wide, and there was no sidewalks. And one of the issues that it has, the elevation was pretty low in relation to the floodplain.
It would flood every 1 to 2 years. We would have to close the road when it flooded, and that created a hazard for the community. We had people actually drive out onto the flooded creek, so it was a big safety hazard for our constituents. So that was the main thing. Also, this area kind of west of Roseville is really growing quite a bit, so there's more and more traffic. So we needed a higher bridge to span the creek and a wider bridge for all the traffic.
The project is a nice project that ended up designing a 4-lane facility with connection to the north, and in the north end was already widened out to 4 lanes, lots of development over there. So it needed connectivity to the south. And so we kind of closed that gap. On the south end near PFE Road, the road was going to be widened out as well, the intersection there, to accommodate the 4 lanes and all the turn lanes. Our job was to put this road, widen the bridge, design it, and get it out of the floodplain. The requirement from the Central Valley Flood Control District required that this bridge be out of the 200-year flood. So we designed it to 200-year flood plus 2-foot freeboard, which raised the bridge 14 feet up in the air from its existing location. And it widened it out from 40 feet to about 110 feet, so pretty big structure. Some of the other elements that went along with the project was lots of utility relocations, coordination with developments, and dealing with a lot of the agencies and getting all the permits. Then we were very fortunate to work on this Walerga Road project with the county. It's one of the signature projects here, and we're very proud of being able to work on it.
I just enjoyed the project. I enjoyed working with the Dewberry team. I know our team at the county enjoyed working with Dewberry. It was a great project for the community, but also fun to deliver as well.